Timepiece Trading, bro.
You already know with TPT.
Shout out Timepiece Trading.
Timepiece Trading.
Yes, sir.
Like here. It's like cool, but like now that I tried that on, it's like not that cool.
So, here, check this.
You have like this one with like a black face.
No, this,
yeah.
But you wanna, what do you want? You want a Patek? You want
something light. Something light I could like wear like. You just like go work out.
Oh, okay. I think I know what's cool for you. Can we do RM?
I guess. I mean, I'll take a look. But I feel like
especially if you want something that you're gonna work out in.
Yeah, like I want like a workout, like a chill watch. Like,
Yeah, RM is like perfect for that because of how sporty they are.
working
You've
out.
got the. I mean, Neil wears one to work out pretty
Yeah.
much all the time.
So, bro, this is one that we've been buying, and we think it's a really nice watch. It's 29. I think you might like the size. It's a medium strap, so let's see. I think you fucked with the Velcro.
I love the Velcro. It was really nice.
Oh, you are, yeah. Your Nadal used to wear them.
Yeah. Yeah, it's not bad. But I don't know. How much is it?
Yeah, you're right. It's. Let me see.
Looks like not
It's small, yeah. That's why I wanted that for you though, because you said you liked something like that. That's why we've been buying this size, because we think people like it, you know. I have Bubba's too.
What's that? That's bigger, right?
Yeah, that's a Bubba. Those are like right under 3. I have other variations of it too, which are really cool.
Yeah.
Do you like? I'm gonna show you another cool Bubba. I like it more than this.
I really like this. I can't lie. What RM is this? What's it called?
That's an RM29 Japan, so it's also limited.
I know you want to give them your price.
It's 17. I mean, this one, bro, we'll do like it's around 515 for the RM17, the black one. But that's a tourbillon.
550 you said?
515.
515. And this
I
one?
want to see.
140.
Yeah, but so, bro, I have like 3 of them, and I want to give you the right one. So, sorry, I just want to see the serial number.
You good?
What's up? What's up? You want to tell me that?
No,
I actually want to buy it back.
It's a nice watch, bro.
It is. It's such a good workout watch.
Yeah, for everything.
I know.
What was I gonna say? Omar, if he buys something today, do the Packdrop spin with him. He deserves it.
Okay.
Yeah, it's like a free discount, bro. It's like you got to gamble, but you could win up to 7,000.
Or lose 7,000?
No, we sponsor it. It's guaranteed free money. Only positive. There's no negative.
Yeah.
Why do you guys do it?
Like we have a video sponsor now, Packdrop.
Oh, Packdrop.
So they'll like pay for us to open a box for you.
Okay.
For whatever you win, you get either a discount towards your invoice. You get double in credit on Packdrop.
Yeah.
Or you get, what's the third option?
It was credit, right?
to the purchase, discount off invoice, or double in Packdrop credit.
Yeah.
On the
Packdrop.
website. It's like a mystery box company.
Shout out Packdrop.
Check out Packdrop.com. It's pretty cool.
Packdrop?
Packdrop.
Draw. Okay.
I'm a little congested, bro. My bad. I'm quitting vaping and I feel hella weird.
I saw, bro.
Yeah.
I was hoping to see you vaping so I could get $1,000.
Yeah, it's not happening, bro. But you got some pretty.
Yeah,
money
cigarette
in
on your ear though. It's pretty close.
No, this is helping me quit.
Oh, yeah? What
I have
is
a
it?
game plan. Cigarettes.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
Packdrop.
So look, check this out. There's different packs, right? Like
Okay.
this one, for example.
Uh-huh.
It costs 20,000 to open the mystery box, right? But these are the prizes you could win.
What's
in the
the
box.
most you could lose on this? Like the cheapest price?
Each spin, basically, for this box is 20K.
Oh, and the cheapest
But
thing
this is a demo.
Okay.
So we would have just spent 20 racks.
And gotten
These
$600
earrings. Yeah, we got cooked.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Gotcha.
So like that's my balance, bro. So like we're actually gonna pay to spin a wheel for you.
Okay.
Whatever you win, you choose. A discount from invoice, or you get the item if you like the item,
Okay.
or you get double to go gamble more at home.
Okay.
All right, bet. This is another one of the same watches.
I don't really like this one.
Me neither. The strap looks cool.
It's cool. Can I try on that RM that you just showed me with like a white? Oh, what straps do you have that are like Velcro large?
The Japan, the 29. Let me go check for you. I'm gonna bring you the whole box of what I have. Straps.
Let me see it. That's large.
Yeah. It is large.
Orange again.
Yeah. I like the black, bro. I really like the black.
Yeah.
I would get you a new black, but for now, I think you could rock it on that.
What's this?
Unless you think it's way too small. I have this. I can clean it up for you.
Yeah, I don't really want another orange watch. You don't have any other RMs that have a Velcro on it right now that you could replace it with?
So, bro, it has to fit that exact model.
Okay,
There's
okay.
different fitment for each model.
Gotcha. Kind of like the small look.
Yeah, right? That's why we're buying them. And the cool thing is it is also limited. It's black. And
it's Japan, you said?
Yeah.
That's what it's called?
Yeah.
Do they make it in Japan?
It's only sold in that region.
And how many are there of these?
Does it say it on the back?
I don't think so.
Yeah, 30 pieces.
So that's a 1 of 30?
Correct.
Yeah.
But
But
it's not actually numbered. There's only 30 total, but they won't number each watch, you know what I mean?
So when they say there's only 30 pieces, is that like 30 Japan totals, or is that 30 like Japan of this size? Or?
So there's Japan TPZ, which this is. There's 30 of this one. Then there's another Japan, which is an NTPT. There's 30
What's
of
the
those.
difference of that?
It's the NTPT casing versus a TPZ casing.
What does that mean? Like,
NTPT is like the carbon.
oh, okay. So there's carbon. There's no carbon.
Yeah.
So 30 of each.
Yeah.
Gotcha. Still pretty cool though. Like only 30 of these.
Yeah.
You guys have like 3 of them, right?
I have 4.
Yeah.
I mean, the thing is, bro, as I know you're gonna bring it back to me.
Yeah, I'm gonna. I am
That's
I am.
the way I think about
Yeah,
it.
yeah. How much will you give me for this?
Let me check. That one should be.
And the papers and stuff at home.
The one
other one is
the one I'm
naked?
giving you is naked.
Okay.
But bro, like I said, you're bringing
Yeah.
it back to me, so it's okay. VIP treatment.
VIP treatment. I paid like 85 for this, I think.
Yeah, I think so. I can check. Can you check?
Yeah.
I got like a
I'm
month,
checking the value right now.
I got like a month ago. What do you think, bro? Is it worth a swap?
I think so.
Yeah, you paid 80 for it.
80?
Yeah.
Oh, okay,
Alright.
okay. I thought it was 85.
I feel like that RM will go more with like your vibe and like
Yeah.
outfits and stuff, you know?
I think so too. And he ended up slapping me into getting a watch. We traded my
Yeah, but
perpetual
it's a good. You're gonna like it. It's something your vibe.
It is really nice. But
This is his next watch, guys.
one day.
Travis Scott AP. He says he loves it, so
I do love
let's
it.
make him get it.
I do love this watch.
What's up, guys? Hope you're having an amazing day. Today I got my boy Ranjian. He's picked up another amazing piece for his collection. Sponsor of today's video is Packdrop. If you use the code TPT, you get 5% bonus on whatever you guys deposit. So, bro, for this week, sponsor of today's video, Packdrop. They're awesome. We're gonna get you a free prize, free gambling. So we're gonna open this up.
Yeah, do
and
it.
I want you to open it up, and these are all the gifts that we can get, all the prizes. So,
I'm gonna tell you what I want, okay? Low key, bro, we want an iced out G-Shock.
okay.
So let's go for the best prize.
Okay, let's do it.
Oh, I'm a gambling man.
That's good.
You're
So, guys,
classic.
you got $500. So, bro, what you can do with this is you can either get $500 off your purchase. We can double this and give you Packdrop credit.
Yeah,
Or you can get the actual item.
I'll double it.
What do you want to do?
I'll double it.
Double it and get the credit on Packdrop? Okay, that's insane. I don't know why people haven't done that. I think you're the first one who's actually done that.
I'm a gambling man.
Let us know where you can run it up to. Run it up
Okay.
to 100K, bro. Let's do it. Thank you, bro. Is it like too old for you to look on that?
I mean, I think it's just she's got something like this in front of her.
No.
Like, it's just nice as fuck. Like, I don't know.
No, I don't know. I have a Rolex and I never wear it, so I just feel like
You want
it's kind of crazy to say because like this is gold, but like this feels too gold.
I mean, yeah, it makes sense for sure. Because that's more like understated. Like this one's
Yeah.
more in your face.
Frosted look is insane.
Yeah, I mean, with all of her yellow gold jewelry, like, it's just so nice.
Honestly,
I've just never seen a mini one.
I think I like this watch. I think I'll just take this and I'll be responsible and I'll just wait for another piece to come out that I'm in love with. And
Okay,
I'll-
cool.
Then I'll do that.
Okay. And this is honestly very versatile because you can put whatever color you want on it.
Yeah,
It's
I really like
titanium,
it.
you know?
Got it.
No, but that is like probably the most baller ladies piece out right now in the market. Like there's nothing else.
So I traded in 2 watches. I only got one and this cheap, so boom.
Yeah, you're good.
It's
And they
not
count slow.
cheap.
I put, so my balance went down, technically. 2 watches.
Yeah, and you're only picking up one. Yeah. I mean, it's gonna work out.
Yes, no, this is perfect. Oh my god. This is what I wanted.
Costa just brought that up.
This is so sick. Yeah, I have something similar, but it's the GMT.
Saru,
it's the
yeah.
poor version.
No, sorry.
Look,
not the poor version. Yeah.
Now,
That's like ultra VIP in Rolex.
yo, this baller, dude. How much is this? Another one.
Gotcha.
See, now if I get this, do I trade in
Type in RBO's
GMT.
on your phone.
I'll have to try and like get it underneath it. I don't know. I think I think it would break it on accident.
Look at that. That's factory. I have one so similar, but it's a GMT. It's the poor version.
I remember seeing that one.
This is like, they're basically the same, but.
What does that mean for poor version? And we're talking about $100,000.
How much is that GMT I have? Yeah, it's 100-something thousand.
No, more. Yeah, it's like almost like 150, 160 around there.
Yeah, and how much is this?
That's like 380.
Oh yeah, dude, I'll take
Here's
this
the other
one. Forget the Richard.
Thank you.
I'll take
It's
the.
like this 390, Steve.
Sorry. No, you're fine.
The yellow gold rainbow.
Yeah, I'll trade in both of these. We'll get that and maybe send you some money.
So this
Spider-Man.
and the Spidey.
Yeah, I'll take that. And maybe I'll go when I go home. I'm gonna really look at the GMT in this, and I might feel like I should trade it in.
Okay.
But it's an, and then I go.
Bro, that I'm telling you that.
Like, why would I wear the GMT unless I wear a Kimbo? Like I would wear
No,
two.
but your GMT is also the bracelet has diamonds too, right?
It's like this, right?
You have the factory bracelet as well.
No. I see. That was my old watch. I traded this, and I got the one without the diamond bracelet, yellow gold. It's sexier.
Oh yeah. I was there that time. Yeah.
Yo, this is, dude.
Big baller watch.
Whoa, I like this. It's nice.
No, but that's head honcho and Rolex, even factory set shit. Like that's what it is. Yeah.
This is
I
So-
swear, I don't know why I thought you had a factory except Daytona Rainbow. I don't know why I thought you did.
I have a factory.
Skeleton
No, I have a factory Daytona
with the green dial. That one.
black strap. Can't think of it.
Black
Diamonds?
strap.
It's like it's a factory Daytona, black strap, diamonds. Look, you got diamonds on this.
Oh, Oyster Flex. Yeah.
This is a big deal.
Something like
That's a
that.
cool watch.
I
Three
was
is
wrong.
so-
I was
Yeah, that's
wrong. I was
perfect. Perfect?
Yeah.
Chris, thank you so much for everything, dude.
Thank you, always.
Up, like, so this Spider-Man shipped Wednesday.
Yeah.
We gotta go. I'm parked illegally, and what do you say, what's the sushi spot? It was
Nami Nori.
Okay.
Moki
I'm gonna see it. All the different colors. So I got the ring like this, and it's the
All
Thanos.
Infinity Stones.
When did you buy this?
It should be coming. Like I
Yeah.
think next week, right? I don't know.
So wearing all the rings and it's the Infinity Stones with this, it's like whoa.
Is that Thanos?
Yeah. And it
This
literally
nigga's got
matches.
style.
It matches the bezel too, and that's one of
Like-
the heaviest rainbow pieces out.
It's like
So it goes
it's
crazy.
the only way to rock the feminine 5 ring
With the
thing.
Daytona.
As it
Feminine 5
is
ring.
Infinity Stones and a $400,000 watch that
Yep.
was once like 700, I bet, right?
I think either way you did it though, like it doesn't really matter because you're Steve. You know you can do it. You can pull it off.
No, they
It's
did.
sized already. It's done.
Yeah, I'm gonna lose
That
weight,
is quick.
and when I lose weight, and
You have the
I
link?
see
Yeah.
this is too tight for me, but
Okay.
I'm
So
like
this we
I
got-
like flipping it.
See the box papers I'll keep with me, and then this link I'll keep with me too.
Oh yeah, always.
Nice.
Never give me anything. Well, that was fun.
No, but that's actually like that's a crazy piece for you.
Yeah, and I think I have to get
When
my.
you first came here, I even said you have the Rainbow Daytona, and you said yeah. I was like, okay, he already has one.
It doesn't even make sense. I feel like I need to get a different watch because and trade in the GMT.
No, but see when you get home, they're both different.
Yeah.
They're both different, honestly.
The only way I wear it is a Kimbo, which is cool.
Which one, the ivory? Like the rose gold one?
No, I like this one.
The RM1103 titanium.
You know what? I'll be in Miami in a few weeks. Post my YouTube video this month, and if it does how I think it's gonna do,
Which it will.
I'll come back.
You're posting on YouTube yet?
Yeah, I mean YouTube.
Oh my god, that's huge.
So I have so much energy.
That's awesome.
Yeah, that's fine. That's good.
Like, you would think I took Adderall or did something or did no, and I slept 3 hours. I'm just like,
high on life.
I swear, I'm like just happy.
You have to stop moving. Since you're making me anxious just by how much you're running around right
No,
now.
I just.
No, but it's good.
I'm
What's
burning.
your daily step count? Like 30,000 or?
It's a lot. I love it. We're winners.
What's going on? So we got none the other, but Steve will do it in here today.
RITZ.
And he came in, and he's like, he's been actually collecting insane off-catalog Rolexes, and
Yes.
today he picked up the best one in the game, the yellow gold factory set Rainbow Daytona.
Yo, it's insane. It's crazy.
Yeah.
And I got, call me gay, whatever, who cares? I got, you guys seen Avengers? 5 rings. It's like the Infinity Stones, all different colors. I'm fucking Thanos. And then call me gay is like, yo, do you have a 400K watch on? Probably not. I don't know.
I don't think you do.
No, I don't think so.
He's the real life Thanos. That's
Yeah,
what he is.
I am.
Mr. Steve will do it.
Yes, best TPT.
Later that day.
All right, you guys, what's good? We're here in Steve's old penthouse. It's my new penthouse. We're gonna go across the hall now. It's actually November 3rd. I'm wearing the watch Steve got me on my birthday.
That's all. I can't believe I'm doing this, but here's your watch.
My watch?
Yeah.
What you mean, bro?
Dude, he's the best person in the world, hands down.
He was 2 weeks late getting me my birthday gift. I'm like, how late am I? I'm like 6 weeks late getting him his, but I hope he loves it. You guys are gonna see. And yeah, I hope you can all have as equally as beautiful friendships as I have with my brother Steve. Crazy I'm living in his old apartment, and now we're neighbors. Yo, what up, Steven? You good, bro?
Yeah.
Nice to see you, dude. But bro, how late were you to give me my birthday gift?
Weeks, right?
Yeah, weeks, and I'm late weeks for yours. So I hope you're not mad at me, and I hope you love it. All right, you're about to see.
Months.
Well, I had to make this. Okay? It was custom, and I hope you love it. Okay?
All right.
You ready? Bro, you love it?
I mean, yeah.
I mean, it matches my chain, bro. We're brothers. I just thought it would be the coolest thing ever.
It is dope. It's so sick. Oh no! No!
Does it fit?
No!
Oh my god, bro. But do you like it?
Yeah, dude, it's so sick.
You promise?
I promise.
I felt so cheap. Like, you
No.
got me this beautiful watch. I was like,
Nah, dude. This is something now I just wear all the time.
so that's one gift, Steve. It doesn't fit. It's not your gift. Come back. What
I
I
can't have this?
really, that's yours too. No problem.
I can keep this?
Yeah, but
Oh.
what I really got, you thought I would be that cheap, bro?
I didn't know.
You thought I would be that cheap when you got me this watch? All right, you ready?
Yeah. And Richard, no, I ain't gonna be Richard.
I swear you bought this for me in the past, and I was in the process of getting it to you, and you canceled it, I think twice. So I think you're gonna love it.
No way.
It's not a Richard in here, it's a Rolex.
No way. What is it? Yo! Yo! That's so sick. Bro, I love it. Yo.
That looks crazy on you, bro.
Bro, this is so sick. Baguette fucking Richard, bro.
All right, you got me an iced out watch, I got you an iced out watch. We're even?
I love you, yo.
Love you too, bro.